recording.
Yes, it is. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
I have to do it again.
Yeah.
God damn it.
You have to do it a lot. Stick it all the way out there.
I'm trying. A tickle.
Derp. Do it in your other nostril.
What?
Give it a break.
No.
No.
It's got my nose right here.
Stick it all the way out there.
I'm trying.
Do it. Stop whistling.
No.
This is fucking hard.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You drop it.
I did, yeah.
Keep it up your nose. Sneeze.
I am.
Tickle it.
Yeah.
That was really long.
What?
The shoelace part you stuck all the way up to your finger.
I don't want this. Oh.
Oh, you guys.
I am.
Not to piss myself.
Next one.
I just got this. Boy! Do it.
I don't like this.
Oh my God, this sucks.
I know.
Do it again.
Ah!
Yes, it's on camera.
What?
The tears are on camera.
It's gonna do both of us.
Okay.
This is gonna fuck me up, dude. It's going in the wrong nostril.
I can't breathe.